Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have a look at this power bank. As you see, it has a LCD display showing us how much energy or how much it's charged up, which is kind of cool to see. That makes it just a lot easier when you're somewhere and you're not sure how much you actually have on here, or if you should charge up before leaving the house or something. So that is pretty straightforward there. And also, it has two inputs, so you can charge more than one device at the same time, which is kind of nice to see as well. And yeah, I mean, that's kind of what this is all about. I'm pretty satisfied here, and I like the overall look. It has like this carbonic print here, which gives it a really nice touch, and also loving the fact that you have like all these inputs. Just pretty straightforward and nice to see that. So yeah, I think we called it today already. So until the next time, you guys, my name is Badger. Take care. I will see you around to the next one. And until then, bye bye.